Ready to unlock the full potential of your NatWest account? Let's dive into how you can effortlessly manage your money and access expert support. First up, online banking. Head over to the NatWest website and find the secure login portal. You'll need your banking credentials. Once logged in, you can view your account balances, transaction history, and even set up payment alerts. It's your digital hub for all things banking. For banking on the go, the NatWest Mobile App is your best friend. Download it from your app store, and after a quick setup, you'll have access to all your accounts right in your pocket. Make instant transfers, pay bills, and even deposit checks using your phone's camera. It's incredibly convenient for day-to-day management. Sometimes, you might prefer a more personal touch. NatWest's branches are equipped to help with a wide range of services, whether you need to open a new account, discuss a loan, or simply have a question. A friendly face at the counter is ready to assist you. You can find your nearest branch on the NatWest website. Need a helping hand with your finances? NatWest offers several support channels. If you have a question, visit the Help and Support section on their website, which is packed with facts and guides for more complex issues or personalized advice. You can call their dedicated customer service line or email them. They're there to provide financial assistance and guidance when you need it most. From managing your everyday transactions to accessing expert financial advice, NatWest provides a comprehensive suite of tools and services. Explore their online banking, mobile app, in-branch services, and customer support to make the most of your banking experience.